Sometimes a purchase doesn't turn out quite as expected. Maybe the item arrived damaged, wasn't as described, or simply didn't meet your needs. The good news is that eBay makes returning an item simple and straightforward. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open a return request on eBay so you can get your refund or replacement with ease. Start by going to the eBay website and logging into your account. This step is essential since you'll need access to your purchase history to initiate any return. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page and hover over My eBay. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Purchase History. This page displays a list of all your past purchases, making it easy to find the item you want to return. Next, scroll through your purchase history and locate the item in question. Once you find it, look to the right-hand side of that order and click the More Actions button. In the drop-down menu, select Return this item. This will open the return request form where you'll explain why you're returning the product. eBay provides a list of possible reasons for your return, such as item not as described, arrived damaged, or wrong item sent. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. If your item arrived damaged or defective, you may also be asked to upload photos. Providing clear pictures helps the seller and eBay quickly verify the issue, which can speed up your refund or replacement process. After selecting your reason, you'll be asked to choose your preferred resolution. You typically have two options: return for a refund. Choose this if you want your money back and no longer need the item. Request a replacement. Select this if you still want the product, just in good condition or as described. Once you've made your choice, review the details you entered to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Request Return. This officially submits your request to the seller. You'll receive confirmation on screen and both you and the seller will be notified. From here, keep an eye on your eBay messages or email notifications. The seller may send you return shipping instructions or a prepaid shipping label. Follow those directions carefully to send the item back. Once the seller receives and processes your return, you'll either get your refund or have a replacement shipped to you, depending on the option you selected. That's all there is to it. Opening a return request on eBay is simple when you know where to look and what to expect. By following these steps, you'll handle returns efficiently and maintain a smooth shopping experience every time. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check out more eBay tutorials for tips on managing orders, communicating with sellers, and keeping your buying experience stress-free. Stay organized, shop smart, and enjoy your time on eBay.